Fatha gives the ba short a sound, and alif, a, gives the letter ba long a sound. So with fatha we say ba, ba. But when ba is attached to alif, we say ba. The letter waw in the Arabic alphabet makes a u sound. In this case, we have dhamma, which makes the short u sound, and the letter waw makes a long u sound. The first ba with dhamma makes a b sound, b. The second ba with the letter waw makes a boo sound, boo. Kasra makes a short vowel sound, e, b, b. And the letter ya makes a long vowel sound, e, b. So with kasra we say b, and with ya we say b.